Hello guys, welcome to another video and the most demanding video of the Linux series, which is basic Linux commands for beginners. After installing Linux, you can try these commands for your practice. This video will be very helpful to you. So let's get started with this video. First, we will see the sudo command. You all know we put our commands in the terminal section. You can see here it's tuhin@cyberfit. Let's first start with the pwd command, which is present working directory. This will print in which directory you are. I am under home under tuhin. So let's open my home. In the home you can see there is a folder named tuhin. You can see that. So just remember these file names, and now let's see what ls command can do. If I type ls here, so these are the files in the tuhin folder. So let's move to the desktop folder. So if I create a file, then this will be updated here. So for choosing desktop, you have to type cd, that means choose directory, and then type the folder name and hit enter. So you can see now we are under desktop. Now if I type pwd here, you can see I am under desktop. So you can see if I ls here, there is nothing in desktop. These are just icons. So let's create a file here. First, let's talk about another command, which is the sudo command. We all know that every computer has two type of user. One has the administrative rights and other is the normal user. So if you see the $sign here, that means you are normal user. So if you type sudo su and give your sudo password here, this the $sign will change to hash. That means you are a root user. Just exit from root user. Okay. Now if you type clear here, this will clear your terminal, and let's just create a folder here. For creating folder, you have to type mk, that means make dir directory. Let's just put a name let's just put directory 1. Hit enter. You can see that there is directory 1. So if you go inside directory 1, you have to choose directory and the directory name. Now you are under directory 1. We all know that directory 1 is empty. So just create a file here, create a normal text file here. For that we can use touch. Just type sudo touch. There is a spelling mistake. touch touch, and the file name, let's say test.txt. This will create a file named test in the directory 1. So if I ls here now, you can see there is a test.txt. If I open this folder, you can see the test.txt file has been created. Now another command, which is copy command. Let's create. If you want to go back one directory up, you have to put cd, then put a space and then double dot and enter. Now you are under desktop. Okay. So let's create another directory here, mkdir directory. Let's give the name directory 2 and hit enter. Now if you want to copy the test file to directory from directory 1 to directory 2, you have to choose directory dir1. Now just put the command cp, that means copy the file name test.txt, then put a space to give your location, which is home tuhin desktop and directory 2. If you hit enter, now you can see directory 2 has the same file named test.txt. Okay, let me clear this. Now if you want to update your system, you have to type if you are another version of Linux which is Debian, you can always use Ubuntu. There is many Linux variations. So in for the case of Debian series, you have to type sudo apt then update for updating your system. As you can see, I am using Arch Linux. You can type uname -a for your system details. You can see this is Arch Linux. So in Arch we use Pacman package manager. So for updating system we have to type sudo pacman -syu. That means system update. Sorry, S will be capital. This will synchronize all the database and this will start system update. Let me update my system first, then I will show you more commands. Okay, I have already made a video about package installation in Arch Linux. You can check that in the I button. So we have already see the uname command, the sudo command, the cp command. Now let's get some interesting. Let me open a new tab. This will save your time. In here we can practice our command. So if you type free, this will show you the free RAM space available on your device. If you type df, you can see the disks which are attached to your system. Here I have a system. Here I have a disk. This will see your all disk partitions in one place. Let's try some basic commands. You can always do ping. If you ping here, ping a website, you can see the website is up or not. This will give reply. If you want to close the running process, just press Ctrl C. This will terminate the process. And let's see how we can change the file permission. If you type ls, this will give the file name under this directory. If you type ls-l, this will show all the details about the files. So you can see this has read and write permissions. If you want to change this permission, you have to type sudo, which is a root command, and the command is chmod, and you can +x for execution permission and -x for removing execution permission. Then the file name, which is text.txt, you have to put sudo password. Now if I type ls-l, you can see this file has execution command. Let's just remove the execution permission from this file. For this you have to type sudo chmod -x, then the file name. This will remove the execution permission from this file. So let's just clear it. Let's see who is the system. System update had been done. Thank you. Now let's see a simple basic command which is called the manual command. If you want to, like, if you type man and then chmod, this will show the manual of chmod commands. You can see any manual for any commands with the man commands. And if you want to install packages, I have already made a proper video on this. You can check my Linux playlist. Now let's see. If you want to, let me go to my desktop first. If I ls here, ls-l, that means to directory here. If you want to remove a directory, you have to put sudo rm-r, then the directory name, directory 1. You can see directory 1 has been removed from my computer. Now let's manipulate the file under directory 1. Then go to directory 2, dir 2. If I ls here, I have a file named test.txt. Now if I now let's summarize which command we have learned today. Let's put in the test.txt. So for that you have to type nano, then the file name. This will open a text editor which you can use in terminal. Now you first we have learned the sudo command, then the ls command, ls. Then we have learned the pwd command, and then we have learned the cp command. Then we have learned the mkdir command. We learned the choose directory command. We learned the touch command. We learned the system update command. We have learned the remove directory command, rm. We learned the chmod command. We learned the manual command, and many more. You can practice these commands as basic Linux commands. And if you want to save this file, you just have to press Ctrl S for saving this file and Ctrl X for exit. If you want the output of a text file in your terminal, you have to type cat, then the file name, which is, you can see what the inside of this file. So that's all for now. Let's practice this basic commands and come back to my video. I will make a more detailed video on Linux commands later on. Thank you guys. This is a new channel. If you want to support me, you can subscribe my channel, and this will be a big help for my channel to grow. I have put my name, the cyberfit, in my terminal. I will make a video about how you can put your name in your terminal. So keep watching. Let's connect it to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. Thank you.